In this video, I will demonstrate how to add the dock panel to GNOME. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Now open your terminal and type sudo dnf install GNOME tweaks. So if you are on different distros, so you should use your distro package. Manage instead of using dnf. I putted the link in the description. Now you can play with settings to customize the dock panel as you wish. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.